The G-forces on that are going to be incredible. He might pass out.
What do you mean pass out?
You might pass out, man. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think you're ready for this.
Bet on it?
Yeah, it's good, man.
You didn't even tighten it.
Dude, this is gonna hurt. I know.
Oh, you're in good hands.
Huh?
Free carny rats.
Hurry up and spin me.
This does hurt.
This is how we do our pitting with a high
Oh my, she's going so fast. Might not be our brightest idea. Holy s***. Are you dizzy?
Yeah.
What, you can't take it anymore? What happened?
Get back and forth. Oh, man.
You look like a hangman.
Alright. See you later, Ashley.
Yeah, we're all going back up to the house. Oh man, that looks so bad.
You should do it, David.
I'm good, thanks.
Unhook me.
Nope. Alright, we gotta drop her.
Christ, dude.
Just hanging around. How was your ride?
It was great.
Would you recommend us?
Oh yeah,
Thank
for
you.
sure. 10 out of 10.
Great.
Alright, so who's next?